set up all my skincare products in the order I'm going to use them. So it's the face oil cleanser, the miracle mask, my gentle cleanser, and then all the oil serums and lotion for my face. The vitamin C face oil cleanser has beetroot in it and some other essential oils that are great for naturally pulling out the dirt and makeup from your pores without having to use soap. You rub it in your hands until it's warm and then rub it into your face for 60 seconds. That's right, 60 seconds, because that's the best way to make sure that it's actually pulling out every single piece of dirt out of your face. Then just run your hot water until it gets really, really warm or hot, depending on you. Then wipe it clean with a washcloth. No need to add any additional soap unless you had a really heavy makeup day. And maybe perhaps you want to follow it up with a gentle cleanser. But I'm going to follow it up with my Miracle Mask combo. So now it's time to mix the Miracle Mask. It comes in a powder, and if you buy the combo, it also comes with the magic water, which you mix into it, which is a special combination of aloe vera and other essential oils that actually pulls out the real essence of the mask. And it smells great too, from all the reviews that I've heard. The mask goes on pink, and it dries brown or whitish, depending on the mix that you get, but normally it dries out pink. I like to apply it evenly with a mask applicator, but you can use your hands. Now leave the mask on for 10 minutes. Seal anything that's left over in an airtight container like this. Once it's dry after 10 minutes, you can wash it off. Your skin will feel very tight, which is good. Wipe it off with warm hot water in a washcloth. Make sure you get all the corners of your face. Then I can use the magic water as a toner as well. So I put some on my cotton ball and then just wipe my face to finish everything off. And there you have it. Poreless, matte, bright skin. All from the power of beetroot.